Hello, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Council India Present, the Psychology Talk Show. As you already know, that in this Psychology Talk Show, we talk to one of the expert who is really making difference in the field of psychology. And today we have Himanshi, psychologist Himanshi, with us. Welcome, Himanshi ji. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much, and I'm glad to be here. Very grateful. I've been following you like since years now. Council India is like always on the go, always on the page. But I'm really grateful that I have got this opportunity to interact with you live in space. It's a big thing.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you so much, Himanshi ji. Himanshi ji, we want to know your journey because there are very few people who are literally working in this field of psychology. So you are working. It means a lot. So we want to know like how what kind of journey you had, and why you have choose to work in this field.
So the journey was very simple. It's nothing fancy, nothing big. I was a girl who got married at a very young age after completing my studies in psychology. By that time, I was usually interning. I was working with different organizations as a coach, as a psychologist, as an assistant psychologist. These were my profiles, even as a coordinator because I was connected to the education team. My first job where I landed, which was a formal job, was as a PGT psychology teacher and a counseling psychologist with the GD Goenka school. So I worked with them for like good 5 to 6 years, where I used to teach class 11 and 12 psychology, and I used to take counseling sessions. My work was more majorly inclined towards adolescents, like towards
Mhm.
teenagers. And by that side, I was learning family therapy, in which my majors was relationship counseling. So it was all going hand in hand. I was doing adolescent counseling and teaching them. Uh, if you talk about my designation, it is psychologist and teacher, but I'm more into teaching part because that's kind of my passion. I love to teach courses. Then back then in 2020, when there was this COVID time, there was this school, Forbit Psychology School. So they reached out to me that, you teach courses, we want you to design some courses for us and teach at our platform. So I started as a part timer with them, reached to a full timer, and then their senior head under Ria Upreti, where I used to teach clinical psychology, child psychology, counseling psychology. Then fasting forward, I became a mother. Today I'm a mother of a 3-year-old child. So that was a break in my career where I was more inclined towards online classes because school was not possible. And today, now it's been since 2016 till now, I had started my own thing, which was exploring psychology, in which I added a dimension occult because I'm a tarot coach as well. So now it caters to psychology and occult services. Whenever you work for somebody, जब आप किसी के लिए भी काम करते हो तो आपका अपना पैशन बैक सीट जरूर ले लेता है. मैंने अपनी सारी जॉब्स में ऐसे काम किया जैसे मेरा ही ब्रांड है वो, बट टेक्निकली वो नहीं था. Exploring was always my thing, and it's not been very long, just 2 years. And now I'm stabilizing with my own brand, which is Exploring Psychology and Occult. People actually started recognizing me as the face of Forbit. I used to get calls, clinical सीखना है, child psychology सीखना है, ये सीखना है. So I had to clarify to them that Forbit is my thing. Forbit is something where I give my 100%, but it's not my brand. I work for them. But technically, I loved it. I love it till date. All my jobs, they have refined me. But now I'm on a mission where I feel that entrepreneurship is my thing. जैसा मेरा पंडित भी बोलता था कि आपने करना नहीं है किसी के लिए भी काम, खुद के लिए करना है. So I think I have achieved that after my son. I find him as my good luck. I feel that now today the honest mission is obviously to help and heal people, but I want to create an amazing life for my son, a very good one. So by healing people and balancing both the sides, family life and professional life. So
Very nice.
this is about.
Awesome. Fantastic journey you had. Very amazing. Awesome. So, Himanshu ji, you said that cult and tarot reading, right? So, we want to understand this more. Like, what is cult? Can you please
Okay.
define it in a very simple
Okay.
language?
I could have used the brand name as Exploring Psychology and Tarot itself because I myself am a tarot coach and I'm not an astrologer, right? But occult is a word. जैसे होता है ना, हमारी psychology एक word होता है और उसके अंदर आती है clinical, child counseling organization. ऐसे ही occult होता है एक बड़ा अम्ब्रेला, एक बड़ा डायमेंशन जिसके नीचे आती है वास्तु, फेस रीडिंग, न्यूमरोलॉजी, टैरो. So I don't want to stuck my brand to just tarot. We want to expand as Vastu with numerology. I know face reading as well. Obviously, everything I can't do, and I won't be an expert of everything, but I will, and I can hire people, and I already have a team. So for example, somebody comes to us for a tarot reading, so we give them options that if you want to get your Kundli reading done, we can get you that as well. Birth analysis can be done. Numerology chart can be done. So that's a deep thing when we talk about occult. Yeah.
Very nice, very good. So you're saying that occult is that umbrella term under
Yeah.
which there are numerology, there's vastu, there's this tarot card reading, and these
Right.
comes under this. Right.
Absolutely.
Great. So your core study you have done, your specialization is in tarot card reading, right?
See, my specialization was always in psychology. I
Mm-hmm.
learned tarot at a very later stage, but I learned it just out of curiosity. वो curiosity होती है ना यार कि ये क्या है, ये कागज के पत्ते क्या ही मुझे बता देंगे. And at that time, I didn't even realize कि they will make me reach this position. Then in Forbit, as I told you that I was working with Forbit, they said that we are starting it as a brand, Forbit Astrology, in which we want you to teach the tarot students because you are a tarot coach also. So we started with a few classes, and the response was overwhelming. It was so amazing that we were in double thoughts. Abhi psychology pe karenge ki astrology pe karenge. Then we took it side by side, and the same I copy pasted as a mission in my exploring, because that was my idea. Ki I'll be giving both. So there are people जो दोनों में believe करते हैं, and there are people जो अटर डीपली डेडिकेटेडली साइकोलॉजी में बिलीव करते हैं, एंड उनको लगता है क्या है ये, तंत्र विद्या होगी शायद, पता नहीं क्या है, एस्ट्रोलॉजी क्या होती है, टैरो का उनको इतना नहीं पता होता है. बट द फैक्ट इज कि आज की डेट में इसमें एक्सप्लॉयटेशन, इसमें गलत तरीके से इसको पोर्ट्रे करने की वजह से जो एक्चुअली में रियल काम कर रहे हैं, दे आर ऑल्सो गेटिंग अ बैक सीट. सो टैरो इट सेल्फ इज अ स्पिरिचुअल टूल, एंड I am not saying that I'm mixing both of these fields. These two are distinct fields, but I believe in both of them and I cater to both of them.
Okay, great, great, awesome, perfect. So in psychology, when we talk about psychology,
Hmm.
so you have worked with the students, right? Teenagers you have
Correct.
worked with. So we would like to ask you that is there any difficult case that you have handled while you were doing counseling of teenagers? What is the common problem nowadays which is coming up in teenagers?
Okay, so honestly speaking, I've dealt with multiple of cases, and usually when I was in school, they were most of referral cases. Class teacher ne bhej diya, principal ne bhej diya. So there was this case which reminds me. There was this girl. Obviously, we won't be taking names. But this girl was a teenager at class 11th. I was a psychology teacher. I was not the class teacher, and we used to regularly follow up on students. What are they doing? What is happening in the school, right? So I got to know from the medical nurse, from the medical room, that this girl has been visiting like from last 1 week with no reasons. Like she says, I have stomach ache, but there is no stomach ache. She has headaches, but no headaches, with no medical reason. She was constantly visiting. And then the class teacher also reached out to me because she was one of our bright students, right? We need such students. There were Olympiads on head when she was simply declining and saying, I won't be participating, taking offs, uh, getting aggressive even with the classmates. So there were so many points, so many visible symptoms we could actually see when the class teacher made her meet me, that you need to see the school counselor, and she was quite comfortable with me. I didn't take it did take a lot of time to create a rapport between both of us. And when she went it out and when we had a discussion, so the reason was that she told me that, ma'am, my life is devastated, because I think that my family is falling apart, and because my parents are into a procedure of divorce.
Mhm.
So, for people, that can be a small thing, obviously, कि अरे ये तो common हो गया है, but we don't realize that divorce is a decision of a couple, which definitely affects the mental health of the child, and it was affecting her mental health as well. She started self-blaming herself. मेरी ही कोई बात, शायद मैं पढ़ती नहीं हूँ, शायद मैं फ्रेंड्स में ज्यादा जाती हूँ, इसलिए मम्मी पापा की लड़ाई होती है, इसलिए वो अलग हो रहे हैं. So it took us a good fine time. As I said, rapport formation में बहुत ज्यादा time नहीं लगा, because adolescents were very comfortable with me and in my space. Okay, so they used to share it like they're sharing it to a close one. But then working with them, I had to schedule PTMs with the parents as well. I can't tell them कि आप divorce मत लो. I don't know the backstory, but I had to tell them that you need to reassure your child that you are with them, and they won't be facing the circumstances and they won't be facing the consequences. So I feel that that was a challenging case.
ओके, ओके, दैट्स रियली वंडरफुल। और आपने ये बात ना बहुत ही पिन पॉइंट करके ये आपने समझाया है कि कपल की प्रॉब्लम उनके रिलेशनशिप में इट्स ठीक है, वो प्रॉब्लम उनकी है, बट
करेक्ट,
उनसे जुड़ा हुआ जो बच्चा है,
करेक्ट,
उस पे वो कई बार वो फ़ोकस नहीं रहता और बच्चा खुद ही वो सोचने लगता है कि आई थिंक इट इज़ बिकॉज़ ऑफ मी, आई हैव डन समथिंग
राइट,
रॉन्ग। सो इट
राइट,
टर्न्स इंटू दैट मेंटल डिसऑर्डर इफ अगर इसको ठीक से टाइमली इसको काउंसलिंग नहीं किया गया तो।
करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट, एब्सोल्युटली करेक्ट।
Very nice. Great, great. So you have also explored the field where you have done a lot of couple counseling, a lot of
Couple therapy,
family
yes,
counselings also you
yes,
have done in
yes,
that.
yes.
Okay, so do you have any case related to that also that you'd like to disclose with us?
More than case, there was a recent case itself. So I teach couple therapy in my courses, and there was this lady who was, who was repetitively contacting me that I want to get into your course and all of those things. Where I was like, do you want to explore your own relationship? So she scheduled 2 sessions with me, where she was like that I want to end the relationship with my husband. And when we jotted down the points, that what exactly are you struggling with, so the points were actually very irrelevant for me. I'm not judging, but we are human beings and we end up thinking beyond the session also. Where the points were that I'm financially independent, I'm working, and I'm growing in my life, but he is not. He's still the same. Wherein, if she was my elder sister or a younger sister, I would have guided her in a different way, but putting a lens of a psychologist where we are not allowed to judge, where we are allowed to be empathetic, where we have to listen to the client and guide them accordingly. We took the session, but at that time, a few things came to my mind was that in today's date, financial independence is confused with liberty. So women, it's okay that you're earning. I'm also earning. I'm a working mom. I also earn bread and butter for my family. But it doesn't mean that I'll start dominating my own husband, saying अभी मैं तो ग्रो कर रही हूँ तू तो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहा है, you are not growing. Relationship doesn't work like that. It requires conscious efforts. So
Right.
I believe that is very challenging in these days, that it's okay. I'm also a feminist, so I believe that yes, women should study, educate, work, do everything and anything, but you cannot dominate your partner in the name of financial independence, and you cannot just end. तो पहले relationships इसीलिए end नहीं होते थे क्योंकि conscious effort होता था, नियत होती थी रिलेशनशिप को चलाने की। अभी
Hmm.
कैसा है कि ठीक है, ये नहीं तो कोई और सही, या
Hmm.
फिर एटीट्यूड्स हैव चेंज्ड, एंड
Hmm.
पहले बहुत टॉक्सिक रिलेशनशिप्स भी सस्टेन कर जाते थे क्योंकि फाइनेंशियल डिपेंडेंस थी। अभी फाइनेंशियल डिपेंडेंस नहीं है, नोट खुद भी कमा रही हैं, रिस्पेक्ट भी मिल रहा है, तो
Hmm.
फिर वी
So is it the good thing or the bad thing?
I think financial independence is a good thing.
Mhm.
It is a required thing in the economy. Diapers बहुत महंगे हैं. To be very honest, I am a toddler mom and I know that apart from passion, now work is become important for me. So अगर मुझे दाल चावल वाली जिंदगी जीनी है तो my husband is good and fine and we are good. But if I want the biryani, तो I have to work. So similarly, what I feel in this context is financial independence is good, but it should not be confused with the liberty, with
Hmm.
dominating your husband or your partner in any way. And it works for both. It works for the male as well. That you cannot dominate because you are earning or you are rich.
Hmm.
Relationship requires compromise and adjustments and everything.
Hmm.
So, yeah.
बट आज के लोग कॉम्प्रोमाइज नहीं करना चाहते हैं, दे वांट टू लिव देयर लाइफ ऑन देयर ओन टर्म्स, राइट? तो उनका मानना ये है कि अभी लाइफ तो एक ही बार मिली है, तो
Correct.
हमें कॉम्प्रोमाइज करके क्यों जीना है इसको? हमें तो
Um,
अपनी टर्म्स पे
yeah,
जिएंगे हम, हमारी लाइफ है। तो
absolutely.
ये थॉट इतना डोमिनेंट हो गया है, इतना स्ट्रांग हो गया है कि
Correct.
ये रिलेशनशिप सस्टेन नहीं करने दे रहा है। तो अब
Uh,
सवाल ये भी उठता है
yeah,
कि क्या
yeah.
वो रिलेशनशिप सस्टेन करना इज इम्पोर्टेंट या फिर लिविंग लाइफ ऑन योर ओन टर्म्स वो इम्पोर्टेंट है?
Okay. See, I believe ज़्यादा लोगों का सोचना नहीं है, ज़्यादा लोगों को देख के सोचना है। सो इट इज़ मोर ऑफ सोशल मीडिया कंपैरिज़न कि अच्छा भला एक हस्बैंड वाइफ अपनी एनिवर्सरी मना रहे हैं, बट गलती से अगर किसी और की एनिवर्सरी की पोस्ट वाइफ ने देख रखी है, तो वो तो मालदीव्स गए थे, उसका पति तो वैसा करता है, वैसा करता है, तो दूसरे को देखते हुए कि वो उसको फूल दे रहा है, हम अपने गमले फोड़ देते हैं। तो
हम्म।
आई बिलीव कि इट इज़ मोर अबाउट कंपैरिज़न्स, वी आर नॉट सैटिस्फाइड, ऐसा नहीं है। we don't want to be satisfied, ऐसा है. And
Mhm.
relationships में it doesn't work like that. So to be very honest, what I am on screen, it's not कि if you ask my husband, he will also crib that there are 10 bad things in her also. But the point is that I want to sustain the relationship. I want to work for this relationship despite of the cat and fight dog fights we have. हर कपल में होती है, राइट?
Mhm.
तो आपका कौन, आपकी नीयत अगर होगी उसको चलाने की, आप सेटिस्फाइड भी हो जाओगे. अगर आपको क्रिब करना है तो आप क्रिब ही करोगे, बिकॉज दैट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ योर नेचर. एंड सोशल मीडिया से आप कंपेयर करते हो. इवन इवन आई सी एडोलेसेंट्स डूइंग दैट. आई मीन my students like who learn from me, they come and tell me, मैम मैं इतना डिप्रेस हूँ क्योंकि उसने मेरी स्टोरी देख के भी लाइक नहीं करी,
Mhm.
and she was online. So it is a big matter for them, you know. वो फिट है, सब ऐसा कर रहे हैं, सब ऐसा कर. लोगों को ये समझ में नहीं आता है कि रियल एंड रियल लाइफ इज डिफरेंट, राइट? तो मैं अपने हस्बैंड के साथ चिल करूंगी तो मैं पोस्ट करूंगी, बट मैं हस्बैंड के साथ लड़ूंगी तो वो मैं थोड़ी ना पोस्ट करूंगी. बट
Mhm.
उसकी वजह से पीपल हैव स्टार्टेड क्रिएटिंग दीज परफेक्शनिस्ट स्टैंडर्ड्स कि ऐसा होना चाहिए, ऐसा होना चाहिए. तो आई बिलीव अगर आपका रिलेशनशिप टॉक्सिक है तो निकल लो. तो फिर पक्का जस्ट वर्क ऑन इट or leave it. That's absolutely fine. I don't support to stay in a harmful or a toxic relationship. But
Mhm.
yeah, if you are in a relationship where it requires balance, compromise, and adjustments, I think adjustments is a better option.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay. Himanshi ji, compromise and adjustment
correct.
and toxicity in a relationship. कैसे फाइंड करें कि ये तो टॉक्सिसिटी है और ये कॉम्प्रोमाइज है? कॉम्प्रोमाइज के लिए जा सकते हैं, एडजस्टमेंट कर सकते हैं, बट टॉक्सिसिटी रियली नहीं है.
नहीं कर सकते.
सो हाउ टू आइडेंटिफाई दिस टॉक्सिक एंड कॉम्प्रोमाइज थिंग?
I think we should know how to identify the red and the green flags, right? तो it's just like a parent and child का relationship. मम्मी पापा थोड़ी बहुत चीजों के लिए टोकते हैं तो हमें बुरे नहीं लगते हैं, क्योंकि वो मेजरली हमारे साथ ही होते हैं ना. थोड़ी बहुत चीजें तो ऐसे ही रिलेशनशिप में होता है कि मुझे पता है कि मेरे पार्टनर के साथ उन्होंने मुझे 10 चीजें अलाउ कर रखी हैं, बट 4 चीजें नॉन नेगोशिएबल हैं, वो हमारी फाइट कराएंगी ही कराएंगी, करेक्ट? तो बट इफ माई पार्टनर इज जेलस ऑफ मी ओनली, यू नो, he is not appreciating my success, rather he is getting jealous of my success. He is trying to push me towards the kitchen, not because he wants good food, but because it doesn't satisfy his male ego कि ये कैसे काम कर रही है, ये कैसे earn कर रही है. So these are red flags where people dominate you under their ego, where they don't support you and your dreams, what they are selfish. I believe when they just don't want to adjust. Right. So red flags and green flags identify करने आने चाहिए. So if I know that overall my relationship is good one, but कुछ चीजें नहीं पसंद उनको, you know. So आजकल लड़कियों को इस बात से भी प्रॉब्लम होती है. They just create a fuss of this कि मेरे हस्बैंड ने बोला ऐसे कपड़े नहीं पहनने हैं. See, if he's allowing you 10 good things, it's according to me it's fine if your partner is getting possessive about you. It gets disturbing when it's over possessive. So तू इससे बात नहीं करेगी, तू उससे बात नहीं करेगी, you will not talk to your mother, you will not go to stay at your mother's place because you will spill the beans there. So that's actually a problem. If somebody loves you, they have to love you with your flaws.
बट आजकल तो ऐसा है कि वो मुझे अलाउ करने वाले होते कौन है? I have the freedom to live my life, right? Who's
Correct.
that person to allow me?
Correct. I think it's more about everybody's thought process, and we can't actually change it. So if you talk about me also, I am empathetic, I am sympathetic, but I am also dominating. But I also put forward what I have to say, but not at the cost of my relationship. So where if I feel ki this fight has to come up because it is important. So my suggestion to all the people in relationship would be pick up your fights, choose your battles. If you want to live your entire life with this person, don't fight for silly things, right? You can actually ignore it, you can actually excuse it. So that's exactly what we behave with our mothers and mother-in-law. Mother kuch bol deti hai to we don't create a fuss, but mother-in-law kuch bhi bol deti hai, kuch bhi, even if she's very good, we create a fuss. So I think that's in our mindset. And कुछ चीजें maturity के साथ भी आती हैं. So that's my personal experience. I got married at a very early age. I was honestly a princess treatment spoiled brat at that time. मुझे जो करना है मुझे वही करना है. But psychology blessed me, tarot blessed me with patience, with more understanding towards the subject and towards people.
ग्रेट, ऑसम, फैंटास्टिक. आपने हिमांशी बहुत ही अमेजिंग बात बोली है. कुछ चीजें हैं जो नेगोशिएबल हैं, कुछ नॉन नेगोशिएबल्स हैं. अगर when you are in a relationship and you clarify these things, you create the boundaries for certain things,
Correct.
तो बहुत सारी चीजें आसान हो सकती हैं रिलेशनशिप में, राइट? दिस इज रियली रियली इंपॉर्टेंट। ग्रेट। और कौन सी चीज लेट गो करनी है, विच वन इज इंपॉर्टेंट टू यू, ये
Correct.
आइडेंटिफाई करना भी आना चाहिए। हिमांशी, मैं आपने बहुत अच्छा पॉइंट यहाँ पे शेयर किया है। आई हैव सीन सो मेनी पीपल, दे डू नॉट नो दे व्हाट दे वांट।
What they
उनको
want.
पता ही नहीं है कि उनको चाहिए क्या।
Exactly.
उनको रिलेशनशिप भी कई भी लगता है रिलेशनशिप भी चाहिए, कभी उनको लगता है कि नहीं मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे फ्रीडम चाहिए, मुझे वो चाहिए। वो जो बैलेंस
बिल्कुल।
है, वो जो मैच्योरिटी जो वर्ड आपने बोला है, उसके लिए उनको थोड़ा सा समझना पड़ेगा। आई थिंक
Exactly.
इस चीज की ना कोचिंग होनी चाहिए, इसकी एक ट्रेनिंग होनी चाहिए। दो भी
आजकल मुझे लगता है प्री मैरिटल काउंसलिंग इसलिए बहुत ट्रेंडिंग है कि लोगों को, जैसे कई लोग मुझे बोलते हैं मैम क्यों करानी है प्री मैरिटल काउंसलिंग, देखो हमारी किस्मत में अगर होगा दुख तो होगा। तो एक सिंपल बात होती है कि तुम गिरे हो और तुम्हें चोट लगी है तो बात अलग है, लेकिन तुम पहले से वैक्सीनेशन लगा के चलोगे तो तुम बच सकते हो। तो टेक्निकली हम जितना पैसा ये क्या बोलते हैं प्री वेडिंग शूट्स पे लगा देते हैं, वो फोटो एंड ऑफ द डे टंगी रह जाएगी और शायद उतर भी जाएगी। पर प्री मैरिटल एक डोज है जहां तुम बात कर सकते हो एक थेरेपिस्ट के सामने, तुम अपने शौक अपनी रिक्वायरमेंट्स रख सकते हो, सामने वाला अपनी रख सकता है। हम आपको जज नहीं कर रहे। अगर आप कह रहे हो कि मुझे पैसे वाला लड़का चाहिए तो इसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, हम आपको गोल्ड डिगर नहीं बोलेंगे, लेकिन आप उसको पहले डिस्कस कर सकते हो, प्रायर डिस्कस कर सकते हो। उसके बाद भी प्रॉब्लम्स आएंगी तो वो तो आ ही सकती हैं। बट प्री मैरिटल काउंसलिंग, आई थिंक प्री मैरिटल काउंसलिंग इज अ गुड स्टेप for this.
Great, fantastic, good idea, good thought. Now I want to understand, how do you see the relation of psychology and tarot card reading?
Okay. That can be a controversial aspect though, but tarot and psychology, they are interdependent, they are similar but they are not same, they are similar but they are not same. So I don't call myself anymore a psychologist or anymore a tarot reader now. I call myself as a healer now because I'm healing. So psychology also provides you healing and tarot also provides you healing. The difference is in psychology we are using our psychological tools, our techniques, CBT and all of those things, which are structured, which has a science behind it. And in tarot, we have to surrender. So when I pull a card for you or for anybody out there, people think ये इसका ज्ञान है. That is not my ज्ञान. That is the hand on my head of the Almighty. कि I am just the medium. तो सबकी टारो रीडिंग्स आप देखो एक्यूरेट भी नहीं होती है, इसीलिए सबकी टारो रीडिंग आप कितने मर्जी टारो कोर्सेज कर लो. I teach tarot students, but I tell them I can just teach you cards. I cannot create intuition for you. वो आपको आपके अंदर से आएगी. You have to be a pure soul for that. If you are that, trust me, मैं भी बहुत सोचती थी कि ये टारो क्या है. But it really makes sense. I pull cards for myself also, for my guidance also. I help people heal and transform their lives. एंड वो जो एक कॉन्सेप्ट है ना आजकल की, टैरो सीख लेती हूँ 9 to 5 की जॉब छोड़ के टैरो कर लूंगी, तो दैट डिस्टर्ब्स योर फ्रेंडशिप विद टैरो. क्योंकि अगर आप मटीरियलिस्टिक सोच से स्पिरिचुअलिटी से हाथ मिलाओगे तो वो आपका दोस्त कभी नहीं बनेगा. टैरो चूजेस यू. पहली बात तो मेरे बहुत से स्टूडेंट्स बोलते हैं मैम मेरे को तो टैरो करना ही नहीं था, मैं तो अपनी मम्मी की रीडिंग कराने गई थी, फिर मेरे को इंटरेस्ट आ गया. उनको ये नहीं पता होता ये एक क्या बोलते हैं गुप्त विद्या है, ये एक भगवान वाली विद्या है. ये आप नहीं चूज कर रहे हो, ये आपको चूज कर रही है. तो अगर आपको अंदर से एक कॉलिंग है, अगर ये आपके लिए है तो आप इसको कर लोगे. तो टैरो इज इसीलिए मैंने अपने माय वेबसाइट इज अंडरगो मतलब इन प्रोसेस टू लॉन्च नाउ. तो उसमें मैंने एक्सप्लोरिंग साइकोलॉजी और एक्सप्लोरिंग अकल्ट के 2 अलग अलग टैब्स रखे हैं. तो साइकोलॉजी पे क्लिक करेंगे तो साइकोलॉजी सर्विसेज, ताकि हम किसी के भी इमोशंस को हर्ट नहीं कर रहे. अगर आप स्पिरिचुअल नहीं है, अगर आप टैरो में एस्ट्रोलॉजी में बिलीव नहीं करते तो नो इश्यूज, यू कैन गो फॉर साइकोलॉजी. इफ यू बिलीव इन दैट, देन इफ यू बिलीव इन बोथ, देन वी हैव बोथ फॉर यू. सो या.
Great, great, awesome, fantastic. So there are a lot of spiritual practices going on in the world, right?
Yeah.
How, I mean, do you consider the tarot is a spiritual practice, and how it is different from other spiritual practices? What is spirituality according to you?
Okay, so again, spirituality, according to me, is surrender with your pure intentions. And when it's about tarot cards, see, to be very honest, tarot यहाँ का tool नहीं है. It is a Greek tool, okay? उसमें लोग अपना बहुत आइडियाज घुसा रहे हैं. जैसे लाल किताब वालों ने अपनी रेमेडीज डाल दी हैं, ठीक है. नो ऑफेंस, लाल किताब की मैं बहुत रिस्पेक्ट करती हूँ, मेरी सर्विसेज में भी है. बट द पॉइंट इज लाल किताब अलग है, न्यूमरोलॉजी अलग है, वास्तु अलग है, इसको मिक्स मत करो, लोगों को कंफ्यूज मत करो। लोग डर रहे हैं कई बार टैरो से, क्योंकि हम मूवीज में दिखा रहे हैं कि वो बड़ी बड़ी माला पहनकर, बड़ी बड़ी बिंदी लगाकर, वो साड़ी पहनकर रीडिंग, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। आप सिंपल टी शर्ट पजामा में रीडिंग करो, आपकी रीडिंग अच्छी आएगी अगर आप अच्छी नीयत से कर रहे हो तो, राइट। एंड टैरो इज नॉट फॉर प्रिडिक्शंस, दैट्स अ कंफ्यूजन। हाँ, क्या होता है ना, एस्ट्रोलॉजी ज्यादा डीप होती है, तो कुंडली से हम किसी का टाइम प्रिडिक्ट कर सकते हैं, ये चीज तब होगी। टाइम प्रिडिक्ट हम टैरो से भी कर सकते हैं, बट जस्ट अ टेंटेटिव टाइम एंड फॉर अ वेरी शॉर्ट लिव्ड पीरियड टाइम, करेक्ट। टैरो वर्क्स ऑन एनर्जीज। तो मैं आपको टैरो रीडिंग तब सजेस्ट करूंगी जब आप मेरे पास आओगे कि मानसी, मैं डॉक्टरेट करूं कि इंजीनियरिंग करूं, मैं क्रॉस रोड पे खड़ा हूं, इधर जाऊं कि इधर जाऊं, आई कैन गिव यू गाइडेंस। टैरो इज प्योर गाइडेंस। We are not taking decisions for you. We are not making any big predictions for your life. We are giving you guidance. Now it's up to you. टैरो में भी दो तरीके के कार्ड्स होते हैं, मेजर एंड माइनर। माइनर पे मैं काम कर सकती हूँ, मैं आपको बता सकती हूँ। मेजर में मैं लिटरली कुछ नहीं कर सकती। मेजर आर द कार्मिक लेसन्स जो होने हैं, उन्हें देख के मैं आपको सिर्फ गाइडेंस दे सकती हूँ और बता सकती हूँ कि देखो जी, ऐसा होगा, हो सकता है। मैं लैंग्वेज पे भी वर्क करती हूँ, क्योंकि सारा शब्दों का खेल है टैरो में। तो मैं अपने क्लाइंट को कभी ये नहीं कहती हाँ तेरे साथ ऐसा हो जाएगा, हाँ तेरे साथ ऐसा नहीं होगा। आई ऑलवेज से चांसेस, वी प्ले इन चांसेस, बिकॉज हमारे ऊपर एक बहुत बड़ी पावर है, द यूनिवर्सल, द गॉड। वी कैनॉट, क्योंकि वो चाहे तो एक मिनट में चीजें बदल सकती है ना, सो वी, हु आर वी टू डिसाइड। But yes, I truly believe in tarot. If done correctly, spiritually aligned, your readings definitely resonate with people. And I have already helped a lot of people. I've trained people with me. And yeah, we are on a mission to help maximum people
Okay.
out there.
Great, fantastic, fantastic. Himanshi, how do you connect with God?
Okay. So to be very honest, I was never a person जो regular पूजा करे या जो धूप बत्ती करे या जो regularly मंदिर जाए. So I don't say कि मेरे parents ने ये नहीं सिखाया, but yeah, technically in my family I just saw people worshipping either in the house temple or we are going to the gurdwara. After marriage, in fact, I learned spirituality more from my husband because he is a very spiritual person. For me, spirituality is more about karma. So it doesn't require you to go to temple every day and to do the bhajans every day. For me, if you are remembering your God, if you're being grateful, if before sleep you're saying I'm grateful for the food I eat, for the life I live, for my child, he's a blessing to me. I'm not considering my child to be as a burden. I'm not cribbing every day. अरे जब से बच्चा हुआ है मेरी life ऐसे हो गई. All of these things are spirituality only. I am thanking to the God for what he has gifted me. So for me, spirituality is karma.
Okay, okay. You said that God is there, like वो guidance आती है और you're just the medium, right? वो
Correct.
intuitions आती हैं.
Correct.
तो इसके लिए हिमांशी वो कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर होना, वो क्लियरिटी होना बहुत जरूरी है कि हम किससे कैसे कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, राइट? किससे कनेक्ट कर रहे
Exactly.
हैं. सो
Exactly.
आई एम जस्ट क्यूरियस टू नो, who do you consider God through which you take those intuitions? What is the concept in your
I
mind to that?
deeply, so as I said ki I love to go to the gurdwara. I believe in all the religions वैसे तो, all
Mhm.
the religions, no discrimination on that. But I have surrendered to Mahadev. So initially मैं Lord Krishna believer रही हूँ. मेरे husband और मैं, we still go to Vrindavan. We are too much into that power. But if I talk about tarot cards, when I bless my cards, when I spread my cards, Mahadev is going in and out me. So Lord Shiva.
Okay, okay, great, fantastic, fantastic. So little bit more about this tarot reading. So बाहर से हमने देखा है कि बहुत सारे पत्ते होते हैं, उस पे कुछ 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 इमेजेस होती हैं, कुछ
Correct.
कलाकृति उस पे होती है. तो
Correct.
आप थोड़ा-सा हमें बताएँ कि इसमें इन पत्तों का क्या सिग्निफिकेंस है? कितने तरीके के कार्ड होते हैं?
Okay. Would you like to see the cards? I can get them for you.
Yes, yes, sure.
Yeah. Just give me a minute.
Sure.
Okay. So we have the cards now.
Yeah.
Though they are not charged and cleansed. So whenever we do readings, we charge them, we cleanse them. Okay. So
Mhm.
this is the altar cloth which we use to wrap them up because we
Mhm.
have to treat our cards like our baby. We can't be leaving them anywhere and everywhere.
Okay.
So these are the cards, and there are total 78 cards.
78
Out
cards.
of,
Okay.
yeah, out of which 22 cards are major cards
Mhm.
and 56 cards are minor cards, right?
Mhm.
So, for example, this is a major card. I'll show you on screen.
Hmm.
If you can see a lady sitting empress, okay,
Right.
so
Right.
usually this card talks about fertility. And if somebody is asking questions regarding pregnancy and this card shows up, there are high chances to conceive, and maybe the fertile period is also going on. Okay, then
Hmm.
we have cards like, I'll just show you the happy cards. I'll not scare you. So this is the four of wands. So this is the card. You can see a couple is standing outside the
Hmm.
house. So it's a
Okay.
card of stability. It's a card of stability. It's a card of homecoming. It's a कार्ड ऑफ रीयूनियन, राइट? सो
Hmm.
आजकल जैसे हमारे पास क्वेश्चंस होते हैं बहुत ज्यादा चीटिंग के, ठीक ठीक है, एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल अफेयर के, तो ऐसे कार्ड्स भी होते हैं जो हमें वो एनर्जीज दिखाते हैं। तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो कार्ड आया तो हमने किसी को, जैसे दिस इज अ कार्ड विच टॉक्स अबाउट चीटिंग, लाइंग। आप देखो ये बंदा पीछे देख रहा है, दिन दहाड़े वो स्वॉर्ड्स लेके भाग रहा है,
Hmm.
कितनी कॉन्फिडेंटली। सो देर आर कार्ड्स, देर आर एनर्जीज, एंड जब अगर हम इन कार्ड्स की बात करें तो इनको हमें चार्ज करना पड़ता है।
Okay.
चार्ज करने के सबके अपने अपने तरीके होते हैं। कोई सनलाइट में चार्ज करता है, कोई मून लाइट में चार्ज करता है। नहीं मिला टाइम चार्ज करने का तो मंदिर में रख दो। मेरे कार्ड्स ऑलवेज मंदिर में रहते हैं क्योंकि उससे ज्यादा हाई एनर्जी वाली कोई जगह ही नहीं होती।
Hmm.
करेक्ट। एंड आप अपनी जैसे इनको जब हम आप वीडियो में देखते होगे, हम लोग ऐसे इसको फ्लिप
Right.
करते हैं दिखा,
You do that.
देखो, नो ऑफेंस टू anybody, any creator or anybody, everybody is doing a great job, but I would say कि सारी इंस्टाग्राम वाली वो रील्स करेक्ट नहीं होती है। सारी इंस्टाग्राम वो जो हम कार्ड्स पुल करते हैं, दैट इज नॉट जस्ट टैरो, दैट इज जस्ट क्यूरियोसिटी एंड फैसिनेशन। और जेंजी बच्चों को बड़ा अच्छा लगता है कि कोई दीदी सुबह आएगी और कार्ड निकालेगी और हो गया, ठीक है, हम उससे रेजोनेट कर जाते हैं तो हमें अच्छा लग जाता है। अदरवाइज ये बहुत डीप स्पिरिचुअल टूल है, और इसको डीपली समझो तो ये आपको बहुत अच्छी गाइडेंस दे सकता है।
Okay.
Yeah.
Can we try it right now? और do you want कि इसको चार्ज करना पड़ेगा?
नहीं नहीं, ऑनेस्टली स्पीकिंग चार्ज तो करना पड़ेगा, बट वी
Okay.
कैन ट्राई, वी कैन
Okay.
मेक अ ट्राई। फॉर एग्जांपल वी कैन ट्राई कि आपका नेचर कैसा है, एंड उस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस, तो आई थिंक वो विदाउट चार्जिंग भी आ ही जाने चाहिए।
Okay.
करेक्ट।
Let's
सो
try.
लेट्स ट्राई। ओके, सो आई एम आस्किंग दैट हाउ इज योर नेचर, एंड वी कैन डू दिस। बस महादेव बेइज्जती ना कराएं और आंसर सही दे दें। Okay, so I have a card says justice.
Mm-hmm.
Justice is a card of fairness and truth. You are somebody, you won't sugarcoat things, maybe in profession or in life. You will be standing towards things which are just true and honest, needs to be very fair. Your decisions are firm with your own understanding. You don't get influenced with people around. Then I have the Knight of Wands. So you are somebody who can be impulsive, can be angry at times, which all of us be, but otherwise you have an instinctive drive within you. You okay. So in a relationship also, we can consider you to be a very driven person, driven, attractive towards your partner and spouse. And again, we have this card of Chariot. It's a beautiful card. So this is a beautiful energy of somebody who is on a movement. Chariot, it also shows, so some people say कि chariot के card में ये जो शिवलिंग है, ये जो red mark है, ये शिवलिंग है, और कई लोग नहीं मानते हैं. So
Mm-hmm.
this card is also talks about spirituality, that maybe you show or not, but you are a spiritual person as well. So along with the justice and the chariot, I would conclude to say that your nature is of fairness and truth, and you are a spiritual person as well. So yeah.
Very nice. Great.
Was it really true?
Thank you. Yes, I'm a spiritual person. I
Okay.
do meditate a lot. So I do believe in energy. So yes.
Yeah.
And yes, justice. Again, yes, this is truth.
This is
Great.
true.
Fantastic. So I'm also thinking that, don't you think these are just the common things that everybody thinks or everybody have? For example, you talk about justice, right?
Hmm.
Who doesn't like justice in this world? Everybody like, right?
Correct. Correct.
Right? And the majority of the people believe that there is an energy, higher energy. There's a universe who is driving this the whole world, right?
The
So
whole
don't you think it's the general thing or
Yeah, I'll tell
generalized
you.
thing?
It depends upon
Yeah.
the question. तो हमने क्वेश्चन बहुत बेसिक पूछा कि आपका नेचर कैसा है, बट एक इंसान के सच्चे 4 सवाल होते हैं। या तो वो अपना करियर जानना चाहेगा, या वो अपनी हेल्थ जानना चाहेगा, वो अपना रिलेशनशिप जानना चाहेगा, या वो अपने फाइनेंसेस जानना चाहेगा। और आज की जनरेशन को तो आप बिल्कुल अंडर एस्टिमेट नहीं कर सकते। मुझे ऐसे ऐसे फोन भी आते हैं, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड को कुत्ते ने काट लिया, रीडिंग करो, इंजेक्शन लगाऊं कि नहीं। तो क्वेश्चंस की तो कोई अति नहीं है। अगर आप 2005 में खड़े होकर बोलते ना कि मैं टैरो पढ़ाता हूँ, तो सामने वाला आपको भगा देता है कि क्या है ये, कुछ नहीं है। बट आज द सच ये है कि लोग इतने डरे हुए हैं, डर इतना बढ़ चुका है, स्ट्रेस इतना बढ़ चुका है कि आप सिर्फ पत्ते लेकर चलो, सवाल वो खुद क्रिएट कर लेंगे, वो खुद पूछ लेंगे कि बता दे। और अब जैसे जस्टिस का आपका आया नेचर में, लेकिन ये कार्ड हर क्वेश्चन के साथ आंसर बदलता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे पास कोई आया कि मेरा केस चल रहा है कोर्ट में, तो ये कार्ड कोर्ट केसेस दिखाता है, ये कार्ड लीगैलिटीज दिखाता है, क्योंकि ये पर्सन ऐसे बैठा हुआ है जैसे कोर्ट में बैठा है। तो मैं उनको क्या बोलूंगी कि अगर सिंगल कार्ड निकाला है, पहली बात तो हम सिंगल कार्ड से रीडिंग करते नहीं है, बट सिंगल कार्ड निकाला है, ये कार्ड फेयरनेस का है। आपने झूठ बोला है, आप गफला कर रहे हो, आपने कुछ गलत किया है, तो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस पे करने पड़ेंगे। और अगर आपने नहीं कुछ भी गलत किया है, तो डिसीजन विल बी इन योर फेवर। ठीक है, अगर मुझे साथ में नेगेटिव कार्ड्स आ जाते हैं, तो मैं खुद भी समझ जाऊंगी कि जो सामने बंदा बैठा है, क्योंकि उसको मुझे कुछ बताने की जरूरत नहीं, मैं खुद भी काफी कुछ फिगर आउट कर लूंगी कि व्हाट इज गोइंग अराउंड। करेक्ट। क्वेश्चन बदला, अब आप बोलोगे बॉबी जी को तो आपने बोला था जस्टिस कार्ड है, आप बहुत अच्छे हो, मुझे आप कह रहे हो तेरे साथ ऐसे होगा वैसे होगा। तो द पॉइंट इज एवरी कार्ड टॉक्स इन अ डिफरेंट वे विद अ डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन। इट हैज अ एनर्जी। अभी मेरे से कोई पूछता है कि मेरा रिलेशनशिप कैसा होगा, और एम्प्रेस कार्ड निकाल के मैं ये बोल दूं हाँ जी आप प्रेग्नेंट हो जाओगे, तो वो कहेगा ना भाई मैं तुझसे रिलेशनशिप के बारे में पूछ रहा हूँ, तो मुझे प्रेगनेंसी बता। तो एवरी क्वेश्चन इज डिफरेंट। आपका क्वेश्चन ही बहुत ही प्यारा और सिंपल था, इसलिए ये बहुत ही सिंपल है। बट लोगों के पास बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेटेड क्वेश्चंस भी होते हैं, वो क्रॉस रोड्स पे खड़े होते हैं, उनको गाइडेंस चाहिए होती है, तो टैरो रियली हेल्प्स इन दैट।
Okay, okay. So, what should be the difficult question that you should draw the card for me?
For you, this is not a deck which is charged. I'm really scared. But we can say anything. You can ask if there is any blockage. If you feel मैं कोई चीज कर रहा हूँ पर वो हो नहीं रही है, क्यों नहीं हो रही है, क्या ब्लॉकेज है, हम वो चेक कर सकते हैं।
Okay, I don't see any blockage that I'm doing and not happening. Okay, what are the questions related to the career?
Questions related to the career. Okay, so if you want
Okay,
to ask,
I have a question. I have a question. Yes,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
related to the career. So, I have a vision that in next 5 years, I am going to grow 10x from here.
Okay, that's your vision.
Yes, yes. So, let's have a card for it.
Energies of your career in next 5 years. Okay, I'll do that. Okay. So, presently, do you overthink? Do you think a lot? Do you take good and bad kind of stress? Are there thoughts about the career? There are tensions. I'm asking you.
I always think about doing things right or career. Mein, I do think a lot. I'm a
Uh,
thinker.
you have a thinker, but you are overthinking. I think in this present situation, and more of those are negative thoughts. You know, self-limiting beliefs, which actually are not in reality. It's just in your head. It's not in reality, because this is the card which I got for your present situation. So this is a lady who's around the swords and the eyes are closed. तो उसके दिमाग में टेंशन है, रियल लाइफ में उतना टेंशन नहीं है, क्योंकि स्वर्ड्स के बीच में गैप है। गैप मतलब उसके पास रास्ता है। फ्यूचर में सी High Priestess is a card of secrecy. Okay, so things are hidden, things are subtle, but you are a very knowledgeable man. I mean, this is the Magician card. आपके पास सारे रिसोर्सेज हैं, आपकी टेबल पे पड़े हैं। इस इंसान के पास टेबल पे कप भी है, स्वॉर्ड भी है, वॉन्ड भी है। यू हैव एवरीथिंग you need to manifest, because this is a card of manifestation. You have to keep aside these negative thoughts and you have to purely manifest, because if you do so, definitely I see you in a position, but it will take time. As you said 5 years, देखो मैं आपको सच बताती हूँ, टैरो 1 साल से ऊपर की रीडिंग नहीं लेता है। तो जो लोग करते हैं ना 5 साल 10 साल, वो अनरियलिस्टिक होता है। बट आई डिड इट, and हम energies पकड़ सकते हैं, you will definitely be in a position where, see, this is a very satisfied man standing happy with all the emotional stabilization along. It will be a difficult journey in between. You need, this is the message for you, so this is a universal message. Take rest also as and when required, because this person is resting. So when you will rest, you will recharge, you will come up with more better ideas, more better clarity, and you need to remove this as well,
Mhm.
because this is a fear in your head about, uh, maybe, as you said, that I want to become, or I want to be at that position. Your self limiting beliefs are making you think in a negative way, but that's not the reality. You definitely will reach the position you want. You have the tools, you have the ability, you have the resources. You just need to rest and recharge as and when possible.
Okay.
So, yeah.
Great, fantastic. So, Team Council India, so you just get ready. We're going to get on that journey. Okay, great. Thank you so much. So,
Yeah.
for doing this live here, I'm really grateful for that. Very politely, very sweetly, you did that. I'm really grateful for that. Okay, great. So now let's move forward for the last part of this
Okay.
podcast talk show, which is kind of rapid fire round. Okay, so
Okay.
you'll be getting little time to answer this. So
Okay.
whatever first comes in your mind, you need to answer that. Okay. So my
Okay.
first question is, one thing you wish people know about therapy.
Uh, Healing doesn't happen in one session.
Great. Can smiling actually make you feel happier?
It has to be honest.
Okay. One word that define mental strength for you.
Resilience.
Great. Your favorite book on psychology.
Laura book.
Okay. The most rewarding part of your job.
Community support.
Awesome. Can social media affect mental health positively?
Definitely, if used correctly.
Great. One mental health tip you personally follow every day.
I love myself.
Awesome. A myth about psychologists you hear too often.
We can read your minds.
Great. What's your morning ritual to start the day right?
Feel lazy, have coffee.
Okay, great. One last question. If you could give the world one piece of advice, what would it be?
Stop comparing, start living.
Awesome, fantastic. Thank you so much, Himanshi. It was a really lovely conversation with you, honest conversation with you.
Yes,
Fantastic, awesome. Thank you so much. Keep shining, keep working in this field, and definitely on the basis of the response, we will connect again. We can connect again, and we can do one more deep podcast with you.
absolutely. I would love to do it. I would love to do it.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Most
everyone.
welcome. Thank you.